This faceless Instagram account has earned over $180,000 in the past few years without needing millions of followers or showing her face. Today I'll show you how to replicate her strategy for free. With so much misleading online business advice, I believe you deserve to know about this method that reliably generates income.
The best part?
You don't need to be on camera or reveal your identity.
So, let's get started.
This store has made nearly $180,000 in sales since it began 3 years ago. We can verify this by checking her total sales, which are just over $9,000, and multiplying by her average listing price of around $20. If you're skeptical, you can visit her Instagram, where she shares her revenue statistics. What sets her store apart isn't the products. Simple budget trackers and financial resources are common. It's her sales method that's ingenious. Most Etsy beginners spend thousands on ads to get sales, a fact often omitted in get-rich-quick YouTube videos. But there's an alternative. After investigating, I found she uses a faceless Instagram account to attract customers. Her Instagram content consists of straightforward notes on saving money and building wealth, gaining millions of impressions each month for free from genuinely interested people. Think of it like a funnel. People discover her content on Instagram, some follow her account. She subtly promotes her products related to her posts, and over 9,000 of her 100,000 followers have made a purchase.
Smart, right?
But what does this mean for you? Let me show you how easy it is to replicate and even automate this business using AI. Step 1. Start a faceless Instagram account focused on finance and wealth. You'll need content topics and ideas, but since I'm not an expert in finance or budgeting, I'll use ChatGPT. Simply ask ChatGPT for 30 viral content ideas about building wealth. You'll get catchy titles that are sure to grab attention and make people stop scrolling. Step 2. Start creating the content. I'll demonstrate how easy it is to produce content like hers using Canva and the ChatGPT generated topics. For example, let's take the idea "A Millionaire Habits" and ask ChatGPT to provide a short list of habits used by millionaires. With this simple bulleted list, we can easily create an eye-catching slide post on Canva. Remember to consider your audience and use a color scheme that matches their vibe. Step 3. Start posting. I recommend posting once a day. My Wealth Diary grew her audience to over 109,000 followers in 3 years using this strategy. Initially, you can use finance-related hashtags to help people searching for this type of content find you. While building traction takes a few weeks, you should simultaneously move to step 4, creating your digital products. You have a few options here. You can either hire someone to create something impressive or use Canva to find a pre-made template for a net worth tracker.
I did both.
To show you the difference, here's a simple net worth tracker on Canva that you can personalize with your own fonts and colors. It works, but with so much competition on Etsy, people might realize they can get something better for the same price. Step 5. Once you have an audience and a product, you can start promoting it lightly. Avoid posting obvious ads, as Instagram's algorithm will suppress your content. Instead, use a strategy 1: call organic content marketing, like My Wealth Diary. She prioritizes useful content with a subtle call to action. Social media ads can be annoying, so blending your product into helpful content creatively is key. Step 6. Be patient and continuously improve your content. Full transparency: this won't make you a millionaire overnight. However, with patience and ongoing content enhancement, increasing your chances of going viral, you can build a profitable online business like hers within a few months. I know this works because I've personally used this model to make over $100,000 in another niche online. To prove this is legitimate, I'll share all the detailed information about that business in an upcoming video, so be sure to subscribe to catch that story soon. Step 7. Here's a bonus tip on how I think this seller could enhance her content, increase her margins, and make even more money. If you're unaware, Etsy takes a 6.5% cut plus listing fees, which can add up. For instance, if she sells 1,000 products at $20 each, Etsy takes a substantial portion of the revenue. She could benefit from starting her own website in addition to her Etsy store. Her Etsy shop can continue to perform well within Etsy's algorithm, especially with her existing reviews and solid customer base. However, by creating a single landing page on a site like Wix or any other website builder, she could retain 100% of the profits. No other companies would be taking a share. For example, I made this landing page in less than 10 minutes using one of Wix's pre-made templates. Step 8. Once she has her more profitable landing page set up, she can leverage her Instagram audience. If you've made it this far in the video, here's what I would do if this were my account. I believe this approach could 10x her profits. Essentially, she's been building a personal brand online similar to my YouTube channel, but without showing her face. Anyway, by building a personal brand in the finance niche, she's positioned herself as a trusted source for budgeting, finance, and saving advice to over 100,000 people. That's a powerful place to be. If she were one of my private clients, I'd advise her to create a mini course on how to organize your savings. This is a crucial skill that isn't taught in school, and many people could benefit from this knowledge. The reason I believe she could increase her earnings tenfold is because this approach is highly scalable. I call this concept build once, sell twice, a meaning you create something once but can sell it infinitely, although a sell twice just sounds better. In case you haven't noticed, all your favorite creators are doing this. Iman Gadzhi shut down his agency to focus on his personal brand. Jordan Welch talks about e-commerce but is really building his personal brand. Andrew Tate discusses a variety of topics, but ultimately he's building his personal brand. They may start with dropshipping, SMMA, or e-commerce, but by the time they reveal the importance of personal branding, it might be too late for their followers to catch up. Overall, I hope this video helps you understand how to create effective content and position yourself as an expert in a specific niche, ultimately building a personal or digital brand. You can use it as a digital product or a lead magnet for your business. I'm excited to see what you achieve with this knowledge.